Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen, TGIF. Thank God it's Friday and it's the day after Christmas. I almost said Thanksgiving. Oops, wrong holiday. Christmas. Um, Last night was the Snack Fest and it did not disappoint. First item on the list was the fantastic job that Robin did with her ancestors guiding her the olive oil bread dip. It seems simple, but the combination of herbs and so forth were excellent. The second item was a classic spinach dip, which I actually prepared the day before, and we got to eating it yesterday. Nothing like a classic spinach dip. Yummy. The second item, which came around dinner time, was the sizzling bacon cheeseburger queso. Not the prettiest in the world, but was it yummy? It was really, really good. It's got some personal flares to it. And the king or queen of the show was the Korean bulgogi meatballs. Robin had not had them. I'm getting a big thumbs up. Robin's here. She doesn't work today, so because I already had them. I did them for a dinner several months ago, and yeah, that's why we're saying they're the queen or the king of the show. Excellent. And of course, we top that off with dessert with my creme brulee. Yeah. The cats love it too. Another thumbs up from across the room. All the recipes will be posted. Have at it, have fun. Yeah. Today, I'm taking it easy here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, and we're doing chili dogs with all the extras from yesterday. Yep, I still have leftovers, not much. So yeah, it's chili dogs. Simple, fast. Yeah, no real prep. I already have a lot of the stuff from yesterday. So yeah, again, the recipes for yesterday's Snack Fest will be posted and they are on the website. So, on this Friday, it looks like it's going to be drier today and a lot less wind. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.